Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix the iPhone keeps crashing and restarting after iOS 26 update. If you have updated your iPhone through iOS 26 and your iPhone keeps crashing and restarting after your updates, let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, first thing you have to do, you have to open up your settings and here go for general, then go for software update, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any update available in your software update if you have any update just like that. So you have to try to update your system and then you have to make a restart, or if you are still having the same issue, so you just have to open up this transfer reset iPhone section, then select reset, then select reset all settings, and here you have to just enter your passcode. Once you have entered your passcode, it will fix all of your issues, because in this way your all settings will be resetted on your iPhone. If you have enable or disable any settings just like that, so it will be fixed in this issue, or you can easily do that because it will not delete any type of data. So you just have to enter your passcode here, and once you have entered your passcode, your phone will restart and your all setting will be reset. So in this way you can easily fix if your iPhone keeps crashing and restarting after your iOS 26 update. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.